Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Byron's Garage.
Initial D.
I went ahead and bought a coil pack, or not a coil pack, sorry, I'm used to that. A coil, straight coil, brand new, and some NGK wires because, you know, why not? The coil I got is this one. This is some eBay stuff. This should work, looks like it works, just because the only other one that I saw that works is a MSD Blaster 2, but apparently that's overkill. So we're gonna go quickly install this. Another thing we're gonna install quickly, little horn button with a broken heart. All right, so our coil pack's all the way down here. It's pretty hard to see. I'm gonna have to get a bolt down there. A lot of the wiring in this is so badly done, it's terrifying. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. Never thought about it, but I genuinely hope that that is not a like higher end brand than what I'm installing, because a red top like that seems like it's high performance. You know what I mean? I want to pull this up. I feel like this can come out with all the wiring. My God, there's so many wires here. It looks so bad. Like it's like every wire is either like crimped or cut, or it looks like they just reused old wiring, or at least they did this so long ago. Okay. That's not fun. It's an actual Denso. This is an original part. Oh my God, okay. Totally unnecessary. The car does start, but I feel like the reason it doesn't start as well as it should is because of this. Comes with new hardware anyway. So positive is white, all right? Remember that. And black is negative. Thank God, at least those are correct. It's definitely not mounted to the original spot. For sure. Okay. Okay, these are tight. Oh man, if this doesn't work, that's gonna be real annoying. I just remembered. So the bolt they used down there, they decided to feed it through the firewall. So I may have to jack up the car, which I didn't want to do today, just to tighten the bolt on. This is literally one of those 90s strips cars, like right when Initial D came out. God, I fucking hate Initial D now. Okay. There was some sort of residual charge. I just got like a little numb feeling on my finger. That was weird. Number 1 should be here. Lengthwise, well, it's way shorter, which I think is better because these were just too long. Oh no, these are not the right set. Oh, fuck. If I remove this bracket, it'll fit. So I may have to remove this bracket. It's broken anyway, so. I'll try 2. 2 is even longer. 3, I think 3 and 1 can get switched up. I think I'm gonna replace 3 and 1. This was for a 4-age. I double, triple, quadruple checked. Why is 4 just a straight one? What? Why is the 4 that? Okay, this is for another car. Oh, this is definitely for another car. I mean, 4 works. I mean, that actually works pretty well. It's just the 1 is scary. Let's see if it starts. First try. I doubt it, though. She's not really a peppy one in the morning. That's not good. That killed all power to the car, like everything. I just killed this car. Oh, I shouldn't have ever touched it. There we go. Battery. Yeah, well, it didn't change anything. Yeah, I think it has an. Oh, that's why you have cam covers, kids. Okay. Realistically, it starts better. It for sure starts better. So you have to find a delicate balance and try to figure out exactly what you need and what's perfect, or you just kind of throw things in the dark. Or you figure it out. Holy shit, I can't believe I did that. That's genius. Okay, less air. I think the problem is that this doesn't have a clamp either. I just noticed. I forgot I took the clamp off because I was doing the throttle body. And when I touch it, it fucking dies. So it could be that. Got it. Boom. There you go. Oh. Yeah, this thing's all cracked up too. There we go. All right, now we shouldn't have any air leaks. Oh, now it won't idle at all. More air. Okay. Less air? Ooh, less air. You like less air, don't you? I'm gonna do half a turn each time, but it should be fine. It looks like I'm gonna have to start doing that. I'm gonna have to give it very little air and then slowly open up more air throughout the day in a sense. This should only happen when I start the car though. If it sits for a long time, it'll do that. But normally if I'm driving through the entire day, it doesn't happen. Or will, you know, with the other stuff. Okay, I get it. Jesus, what an asshole. Boop, 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 boop. I'm loving it. Thank you guys for watching. Next time, I'll go for a drive.